Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to download Blender from the website. In the URL bar here, just type blender.org and hit enter. After that you should go to the website of the Blender. Alright, now we have the download button right here. You can download Blender from here, or you can go to download section, and after that you can find another button here and the version of the software, and just click download Blender. Wait for it just a little bit. If the download doesn't start, you can go to this link right here and click it if you have any problem. After that, just go to the downloads folder. You should find the software and then just double click on it to install it. Hit next, accept the license, and then next, and again next. Just choose the partition where you want to put it. For me, I'm gonna put it in the D drive, so I'm gonna hit browse and change C to D. Don't worry about what I'm doing. So, and then just hit OK. If you don't have any problem to leave it on the C, just leave it on the C, and then hit next and install, and just wait to the installation process to be finished. Alright, now we got the Blender icon right here. It's finished and ready. Just hit finish and then double click on it to open it. Alright, great. So now we have Blender installed and ready. Okay, so that will do it for this video, and see you in the next one.